Hello and thank you for watching Easy Cooking again. Today we're going to make another Bulgarian staple, which is Bulgarian bean soup. For today's recipe we'll need only a couple of different things, and it's super easy to make. It's a one-pot dish, and really the most work is cutting up your onion and cutting up your carrot. That's about it. So let's see what we need today. Today we need cut up onion, cut up carrot, tomatoes, oil, seasonings. I have all of mine combined in one container. Basically that's parsley, salt, baking soda, mint flakes, celery, pepper, paprika, and optional a little bit of crushed red pepper. And of course we need our beans. I have mine soaking in water, and we'll go over that in a minute. So now that we know what we need, let's get started. I'll clean my work area, just move things around. First, I'm going to drain my beans from the water. Make sure to soak your beans at least 2 hours before you're ready to cook them. That gets them all nice and soft, and it really cuts your cooking time once you're ready to put them on the stove. If you don't pre-soak your beans, they're going to cook for easy 5-6 hours and probably still not be done. By soaking them for 2 hours at the least, you're ensuring that they're not going to stay on the stove for more than an hour to two. I usually throw mine in the morning, and when I'm ready to make dinner, I just dump the water. So we'll start with that. Now that we've dumped the water out of our beans, I should probably do a little more explanation. We start with raw beans. I usually do Great Northern, and we dump the water because, as most of you know, when we eat beans, what happens? We get a little gassy. In my country, we say we get rid of the gassy water. So we're going to refill it back with water, and we're going to get going with that. And again, just to make sure, you guys need to soak those for at least 2 hours. Otherwise, you're going to be cooking that soup all day long. So we're going to put some more water, or actually first, before we do that, we'll just throw everything in there. We need some tomatoes. We'll put them right in there. Again, it's a one-pot dish. Super easy to make. We'll put all of our seasonings in there. Get the carrot. Get our onion. Get our oil. That's it. Super easy, really. The longest time was cutting that onion and that carrot. We're going to fill it up with water. The lid on top, kind of cracked a little bit. Now we're going to start with high heat. You want to make sure to bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, turn it down to medium heat, medium low, and make sure to cook it for a good hour. Try it after the first 60 minutes. If your beans are still hard and they haven't cooked yet, keep it on. Halfway through the process, or almost at the end of the process, you may have to add some more water depending on how long your beans stay on the stove. If it starts getting dry, just dump some hot water in there, bring it back to boil, keep it cooking. Make sure the beans are cooked, but don't overcook them either. Well, hello, it's been actually about an hour and a half, and our soup should be ready. I'll turn the heat off. Actually, I did not end up adding any additional water today to it. I had my lid covering most of it the entire time, which kind of helped with retaining some of the water. If you want to zoom in, Caitlin, just gonna show what it's supposed to look like. This is the end result. Really nice soup. I'm gonna dish myself out once it cools. It's actually boiling hot right now, so I'll let it. I'm starving here.
This is not even a part of the
So
video.
good. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna get a bite here. It's still steaming a little bit, but it's cooled enough so that I can try it. It's really good, you guys. The mint flakes along with the parsley are a perfect combination. Very good. I'm gonna serve myself some more. Gonna have some dinner.
Daddy,
I hope you have a good night. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos. We'll see you next time.